In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Wyze Cam V4 and also how to set it up again and connect to Wi-Fi. So you want to reset your camera if it's not working properly, or maybe you're having issues connecting it to Wi-Fi. A reset can help fix this problem. So to reset your Wyze Cam V4, what you want to do first is to get the camera. So you want to pull the base up a bit, right, to find the setup button. So this is the setup button right here, and what you want to do next is to press the setup button. Press it once.
Ready to connect.
All right. And what you want to do next is to get your phone. You want to get your phone where you have the Wyze app installed.
Ready to connect.
So open the Wyze app on your phone. Alright, so here on the app you can see the camera is offline. So what you want to do now is to tap the plus icon to set it up again and connect to Wi-Fi. Don't worry, you're not going to lose your existing settings. This is just a soft reset. So tap the plus icon here and tap device, cameras.
Ready to connect.
Now you want to select wired cameras. Select the Wyze Cam V4. Okay, so now you want to check if the status light is flashing red. Of course it's flashing.
Ready to connect.
So tap next, and here you want to tap it set ready to connect. Of course you can hear that, so select this, begin setup.
Ready to connect.
Okay, so here you want to select your Wi-Fi, and if you want to change your Wi-Fi you can do that here. So select your Wi-Fi and make sure you're on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi.
Ready to connect.
And here you need to enter your Wi-Fi password. So enter your password here and connect. In my case my password is already here. So enter your password and tap connect.
Connection is in progress. Please wait. Setup completed.
Okay, the setup is complete. Now you can select what you want to select here and tap continue. So I'm going to skip this for now. Confirm. Skip this. Okay, so that's how to reset your Wyze Cam V4 and set it up again. And for this reset, you're not going to lose your existing settings, or if you want to remove all your existing settings, what you want to do is to perform a factory reset. So to perform a factory reset, you want to go back to the app and select the camera. So you just want to open the app this way and now select the camera. Alright, and now you want to tap the settings icon here and now scroll up a bit. So now you can see delete device. So to perform a factory reset, you just want to come over here to the app and tap delete device. So that's how to perform a factory reset. I can go over the same process again and set it up. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.